Want to stand out in your prospects inbox and close more deals? In this video, I'll share the ultimate video prospecting strategy using Sendspark. You'll learn how to personalize your outreach through the use of AI, keep prospects engaged, and move deals forward. Hi, salespeople. If you're tired of sending the same old emails and getting no responses, it's time to shake things up with video prospecting. With Sendspark, you can record a quick personalized video message through the use of AI that speaks directly to your prospect's needs. Here's what I'll be showing you in the video today: how you can generate hundreds of personalized videos using Sendspark's AI feature, how you can also use dynamic backgrounds to customize your message even further, how you can also create custom landing pages to get a meeting booked on your calendar, and finally, some other video prospecting best practices. Let's dive into how video can quickly become the easiest way to book meetings in 2024 and beyond. So in this video, we're going to go through how you can easily create video messages to send as part of your prospecting campaigns and obviously book more meetings. And so that's kind of what we're walking through in the video today. Now, fundamentally, what I'm going to show you first of all is how easy it is to create video outbound campaigns utilizing Sendspark. So what you're seeing on the screen in front of you is the Sendspark platform. And it's really easy to create personalized, AI personalized video messages at scale, which makes it really easy to then send these out at scale as well. So first step inside of the Sendspark platform, all you do is upload one initial template video. And then you're going to include a placeholder phrase at the start. So for the purpose of this campaign, it's going to be, "Hey, watermelon." So you literally say, "Hey, watermelon," pause, record the rest of the video. What that's going to do to the platform is a trigger to say, "Hey, every video that's now sent out as part of this campaign, replace the word watermelon with the first name of the prospect." These options down here correlate to we also do a dynamic background behind you in the video. So that could be a prospect's company website, case study page, loads of different options for the dynamic background, which we'll get into during this video. But these options just correlate to the behavior of that background. So do you want it to simulate scrolling? Do you want it to simulate scrolling back up? And do you want there to be a cursor overlaid on it? You're then going to customize. They also give you these kind of cool customized landing pages. So if you imagine you're sending these videos out as part of outbound campaigns, somebody clicks into that video, what they're taken to is a custom landing page. It's another layer of personalization. So the personalized video would be in here. You could add the first name variable. So whoever hits this page is going to change for their first name. Add a little CTA, like check out Sendspark, and a calendar booking link, which is important as well, right? If we're talking about how video books you more meetings, having a booking link included as part of the video means that people can book time directly from your calendar. Once you set up the pre-parts of the campaign, you're now ready to just add your contacts. Now, I've only added 2 here, so you can manually add contacts into a campaign, just adding in their first name, their email, and whatever you want the dynamic background to be. But there is the main way to do this is just to upload a CSV. So you could upload 1,000 contacts into this campaign. But let me just play you a couple of the results. I'll play you this one first. "Hey, Mark, see that you're hiring for SDRs as per your website behind me. Just wanted to reach out because Sendspark can help SDR teams 3x their..." And then I'll play the second one. "Hey, Ben, see that you're hiring for SDRs as per your website behind me. Just wanted to..." So you get the gist, right? Fundamentally, we could have added 10,000 people to this campaign. Every person's going to get a unique version of that video. Now, what's interesting about this, and specifically when we talk about videos, breaking through the noise and adding kind of a personalized element, as you can see here, the background's changed. So in this example, let's say I wanted to reach out to people that had SDR job roles that are they're hiring for SDR job roles. I can change the background to the specific SDR job role for each company. So Mark's the director of sales development here. I've included their specific SDR job role, and Stripe, the specific one here as well. And so by doing that, it adds a layer of customization, personalization to it without you having to do anything. You haven't got to go away, look up the website, etc. And so really nice, interesting way to break through the noise by having each person receive that unique background and their first name looks like it's been created specifically for them. Now, if we go across to a different campaign that I've set up, I'll show you perhaps an additional way that you could break through the noise. So in this campaign, obviously a bunch of context, and if we play this one, I'll show you and play it out.
"Hey, Jan Willem. Thanks for taking a look at Sendspark. Here is a quick video to show you some of the superpowers that we've built in for sales outreach and marketing automation. Like many video platforms..."
And we play it for a different contact in this campaign.
"Hey, Elad. Thanks for taking a look at Sendspark. Here is a quick video to show you some of the superpowers that we've built in for sales outreach and marketing automation. Like many video platforms,
In this campaign, not only have we opted for company backgrounds, so Jan Willem had his own website, Eliad had the Sendspark background, but we also have you give you the ability
hey,
to
Elad,
combine videos. So in this video, we've got an AI introduction, and then it dovetails into a product explainer. So even if you're looking to send like a custom product demo to each and every person, you can do that inside of Sendspark as well. So in this campaign, what we've been able to do is attach a video together. And what that's enabled people to do now is see like a custom product demo for each and every person that hits this campaign. So again, when we talk about increasing reply rates, increasing response rates, personalized videos are really good ways to do that. And with SendSpark, you can create some really dynamic campaigns as a result. Now, what does this look like in people's inbox? So I'll just show you what this looks like inside of somebody's inbox. So I think that will show or at least prove to you that it can break through the noise. So if you imagine you're getting a prospecting email, plain text, for example, really easy to ignore and delete it, right? Because fundamentally everybody sends the same types of emails. But now imagine this is dropped into your inbox with a subject line that says, made this video for you. And they say that their website or their job posting, as I showed you earlier, is the background. Far more likely to give you an at bat and click in. Now, when they do click in, what's cool is about those landing pages that we kind of talked about in this video. It looks like it's been created just for this person. So a light pops up because it's his video, the dynamic variable changes, got that little kind of note, the booking link and the calendar link.
hey, Elad,
So again, the end-to-end experience is far more custom, far more unique than just sending a cold email. And so again, when we start to talk about really breaking through the noise in people's inboxes, really generating demand, SendSpark can be a really good way of doing that. Now, the other component that you're going to get with video is additional metrics outside of like open reply rates that you typically get with text-based email campaigns. So inside of SendSpark, what you're able to see is video level analytics. So I can see that Mark played this video once 24 minutes ago and watched 12% of the video. Now, again, this is really helpful, especially in the sales world where if you don't get a response, you could also get a signal. So if I saw this and see Mark's only watched 12%, probably not a strong enough signal to reach out. But if you watch 95%, that says to me that there's some interest. And that would encourage me to reach out to him and book a meeting on the calendar. So not only can video be used as a really good way to break through the noise, you can add those custom backgrounds to add a really personalized experience. Also gives you additional analytics to really dig into and act as another trigger for you to reach out. So again, if you're a salesperson looking to really ramp up, outbound and improve your outbound experience, SendSpark can be a really good way to do that. And in this video, I've showed you how easy it is to create personalized videos at scale to then send out to prospects. Now, what results are we driving for our customers? So it's important to note that we've got a lot of customers that are seeing 2 to 3x increases in their open rates and their reply rates as a result of using personalized videos. So just showing you quickly a customer that we use that uses SendSpark, they're seeing a 60% higher open rate and a 40% higher response rate. In fact, utilizing SendSpark, they've seen some huge time savings and results as a result. So as you can see down here, they've actually seen the highest open rates utilizing their video campaign and also the most successful campaign utilizing video. So again, just another happy customer just to show you how companies are actually using video to drive results.